Hi there, welcome to my trades today. And today I have got two awesome trades that we are into, and they're going pretty well. So it's pretty much the same concept. We're talking about divergence, we're talking about going with the trend on every trade that we get. So here we've got Euro AUD. This is a 15-minute chart on our Euro AUD. So this trade was in yesterday. So Wednesdays are good midweek reversals for those who like trading using the market maker method. So this is a Monday into Tuesday into a Wednesday, then into a Thursday today, which is here. So we're looking for divergence, we're looking for a trend first of all. So what happens here yesterday? Market sentiment opened positive, so we knew that okay, we are most likely looking for buy opportunities or just to go with the trend. So then what then happened yesterday is that exactly at around 7 a.m. in the morning, on this point we had a diverging situation here, right? So already we have a diverging situation, and then on top of that we have our market sentiment opening positive, so meaning we're looking for good buy opportunities, right? So this was a nice buy entry here, right? But and then it managed to go all the way up to about 100 pips there, exactly on the dot. Then I did not get it there, I got it after this candle, so I managed to actually get this action exactly at the end of the second candle. So this is the Euro AUD, the Euro moves, the Euro pays, and it was pretty a nice time to catch it as well, right? At the open of the London session, same open of the Euro session as well. So we already had this one shift candle which was about 47 pips, and remember we're trying to catch 50 pips, we're trying to catch 100 pips, and then we're out of a trade, right? So anyway, after I caught this trade here, it was a midweek reversal, so I expected it to go a bit more higher than closing on lower than this high here which happened yesterday, right? So I just left it there, and then as I always say, move your stop loss to break even if you think it's going to go a bit deeper, if you want to swing it, because you're better off in a break even situation than a loss, right? So for now, this trade is up from our entry yesterday here. Up until now we are back again on that 100 points, right? So it's ready to close, or I can just stick around and see what happens again, because it's still showing signs of going up, right? And then on the same euro again, we jumped into this action earlier on today. So as you can see, this is the EURJPY, that was the Euro AUD, which is in 100 pips now. And then the EURJPY, this was our entry point today. Market sentiment open negative. We're looking for a sell opportunity, right? We know that, okay, it's most likely to go short than to go long, or it's going to benefit more, it'll be quicker to go short than to go long, right? So here was the entry here. I have a divergence point on these two peaks here, and I know market sentiment opened negative, and price also sort of failed to hit yesterday's high twice here and there. So this was a good sign for me that it's going down. So already it's in about 30 pips for now. So that's at 30 pips here, 100 pips there, and that's a good 130 pips for a Thursday. So if you watched the previous video, which is highlighted on top here, it was our last trade on a Tuesday. We had two as well, which already gave us 160 pips, which was very good. So taking that and then adding into this, it's a good 300 pip week, right? So we can choose to close the trade right now, or maybe let them run for longer. It all depends. So it's still a Friday and it's a midweek reversal, so I still expect this to go a little bit lower, right? I'm expecting it to actually go push to my last support right here, which is about 60 pips. So I'm looking forward to this 60, but on 50 already I'll be out, and then that's good enough for me. And then on the Euro AUD, same concept. I might close it now, but like I said, it really looks like it's still going to go higher and higher. So I'll be back on with more to let you know how this one went by, and then how the EURJPY goes by. So as I always say, consistency is the only currency that matters in this business. So we have to keep on taking these diverging trades or these trend trades, because those are more likely to go in the money all the time. Check how market sentiment is behaving, and then always go short when it's negative and go long when it's positive. So I'll be back later on, and thank you for watching the video.